So to have a shipping rate on your product like this, you need to create the shipping rate first by clicking on the product catalog at the left side of the screen. Choose the shipping rates subpage and tap on the Create Shipping Rate button at the top right of the screen, which will open up this window, and you can start to customize about the tax, shipping prices, and also the currency. For example, I'm gonna make it as 1,000 US dollars. You can then add the description about the shipping rate. For example, I will name it as the next day delivery. You can do like free delivery or free shipping, and set the estimated shipping time from 12 hours to 1 day as the maximum. For my next day shipping, you can always change the time reference for your needs. After that, tap on the Save button at the bottom. You can make multiple shipping rates according to your need. And to add the shipping rate on your own product, we are doing it with the payment link, so click on the plus icon at the top right corner and select the payment link option. You may select your own product with the same currency as your shipping rate, so I will choose the product with USD currency. Then you may scroll down until you see the options and do a check mark on Collect Customer Addresses, while select the Billing and Shipping Addresses option. This window then will appear and you can choose which country that you want to do a shipping to. You are allowed to select multiple countries, but I'm gonna go with just US. After that, hit the Save button. You can then click on Add Shipping Rates button and select the shipping rate that you just created before. I'm gonna select these three, and after you are done with your payment link, hit the Create Link button over here. This is your payment link and you can share it to your customer or just add it to your social media or your website. And this is what your client will see, more or less. The country shipping address will be limited to the one that you choose before, and they can select which shipping method and shipping rate that are suitable for them. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.